You can take the seat there. Yes, when I finish, you can come to try, okay? Hello everyone, today I will make Thai papaya salad. It's called som tam. And luckily today I have a Thai tourist and he will check if my dish is good. Let's go! Som tam salad, we need green papaya, string bean, potato, lamb, dry shrimp, chili pepper, some peanuts, important ingredient is garlic, and Thai fish sauce. You need to clean with water or make the latex gone. Add some salt. I will add some ice in here to make it crunchy. You need to show in cold water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add some water to make the shrimp soft. Add some sugar. You need to beat the chili, garlic and sugar smooth like this. For the papaya, let the swing gets into the papaya. I finished the salad and now I will place and add the Thai tourist to try. somtam is a special dish for the country. What do you think?
No.
No?
Can you introduce the audience something about you? No. Do you speak English? No.
Speak Thai?
Sư thúc của ông là Thái gì?
Em là Thái Nguyên.
What the No problem. I will ask the tourists from Taiwan to try this somtam.